Hello, it's Marie, and welcome to 5 Art of Cooking. Today, I want to show you how to bake a chocolate soufflé cheesecake with just 3 ingredients. It's a flourless and gluten-free recipe. This cake is creamy and fluffy and is absolutely delicious. Let's grab some chocolate and I'll show you how to make it. We'll use 8 ounces of sweetened dark chocolate chips, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 6 medium-sized eggs. We'll start by melting the chocolate in a double boiler. Keep the water underneath at a simmer and the chocolate will start melting in a couple of minutes. Once it's melted, turn off the heat and drop in the room temperature cream cheese. Stir to combine them. Give it about 10 minutes to cool to room temperature. While waiting, we'll separate the egg yolks from the whites. Add the yolks to the chocolate and cream cheese. Use an electric mixer to blend all 3 ingredients together. It only takes about 1 minute. So, this is our base mixture. In a separate bowl, whip the egg white until it's stiff and glossy. One quick way to confirm when it's ready is when you tilt the bowl and it doesn't move or fall out. The next step is to fold the egg white into the base mixture. What I like to do first is stir in just 1 scoop to loosen the batter. After that, gently fold in the rest, 1/3 at a time. Slice down from the center, scoop the batter up and turn it over. Do this while the other hand is turning the bowl. Keep going until all the egg white is incorporated. When it's ready, there shouldn't be any white streaks visible in the batter. The amount in this recipe is for an 8 by 3 inch round cake pan. Apply a thin layer of butter or shortening inside the pan and line the bottom with parchment paper. To avoid having air pockets in your finished cake, tap the cake pan on the counter a few times to let out the air. See these bubbles? We'll steam bake the cake to keep it moist. To do this, place a rack in a metal pan that's larger than the cake pan. Fill the pan with hot water to just below the rack. Bake it at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. When the baking is done, turn off the oven, leave the oven door ajar and let the cake cool gradually for 30 minutes before taking it out. This step is important because it minimizes the shrinkage of your cake. Once out of the oven, continue to cool for another 30 minutes. To unmold the cake, hold a plate over the pan and invert it. Remove the pan and peel off the lining paper. Then place another plate on it and invert it again so the top of the cake faces up.
By the way, the crack at the top is quite common in cheesecake baking.
It's tricky to control. I will need another video to explain the reason why. It doesn't affect the taste and is easy to conceal with toppings. So our soufflé cheesecake is done. You can serve it as is or with a topping of your choice. I'm going to show you a simple way to top and garnish it. These are chocolate shavings which I make with a grater. Go around and cover it, using as much or as little as you like. I'll use some bigger pieces in the center and finish it off with a little fresh fruit. It's ready to serve. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it's so light and creamy. It's really good. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please push that like button, share and subscribe.